Okay, check this out. This is a stone faucet mat. How cool is this? It literally, when you spill water on it, it literally dries almost instantly. So cool for having around the top of your sink, your kitchen sink, your bathroom sink. I love that you can put your like wet sponges on it. You can see the water on there, and then it dries up so nice and quickly. Really good for keeping the water nice and contained on there. Simply wipe it off to clean. And yeah, it's just gonna keep everything at the top of your sink nice and dry, especially if you've got like hand wash or soap sitting up there. And yeah, see, it's basically almost dry already. You can get some little drops on there. So cool. It basically soaks up all the water, keeping the area around your faucet nice and tidy. And yeah, it comes apart into the two sections, nice and easy, and just gives that like really sleek, minimalist stone kind of look, which I love. And yeah, like you can see, this is basically dry already. So quick, keeping everything nice and contained and dry. And yeah, it looks really cool. What a great addition to your kitchen, your bathroom, maybe even your laundry sink or something like that. So yeah, absolutely love that stone faucet mat, and yeah, highly recommend it. Definitely go check it out.